Hey team, Fabio here. Hope you are doing well today. Welcome to another daily market outlook. Before we start, I just feel like I have to say something. I'm not really feeling myself today or this past week. I've got some personal stuff, but I just want to let you guys know that because you watch the videos every day and I talk to you every day, that you just know. So it kind of sounds strange. I don't know why I'm saying it, but just so you guys know. So diving in and kicking it off with the dollar index. Obviously we came in towards supply over here. Saw that reaction in towards the downside. Yesterday we saw a break of this low, was a liquidity grab, kind of like a V-shaped reaction with some bullish intentions. At the moment the overall fractal high here is holding, with this being your supply, this buy before the sell. So that's currently acting as your supply zone. That's why we also saw this bearish candle over here. So let's see this morning if we can see some follow through. If we break this high, let's wait and see if we start moving in towards this supply zone, and then obviously just wait for that bearish reaction before then again potentially seeing some bearish follow through. Going in towards the 15 is looking bearish as of now. Let's keep an eye out. I mean, there is some liquidity above these highs, so maybe it would sweep those highs and then, for example, move down, but it's also building liquidity below the lows. So let's monitor and see what happens this morning. You guys know what the main objective is on the 4 hour. Going in towards EURUSD over here on the 4 hour. Gonna have this ascending wedge slash triangle moving in towards the highs. What happened is that we again saw a BOS. I mean, we're seeing a slowdown in momentum, of the bullish momentum. Like we break the high, retrace, we break the high, we retrace. Yesterday we saw a change in the overall character slash structure. So let's see, maybe we see some further follow through in towards the downside. We have demand zone here, and potentially we move back up in towards this area of supply. This is currently the low to break. If we break that low, then definitely start looking for shorts. Until then, look for those potential longs. That is EURUSD, and then obviously also a short from this supply zone. Going in towards AUDUSD. AUDUSD grabbed the liquidity above the highs. So we took out all of these highs over here, like we mentioned in yesterday's video. Liquidity, liquidity, liquidity. So there is momentum or is potential for Aussie dollar to move down a little bit lower. But at the moment, this is like your demand zone, which took out the highs. This imbalance candle over here, I use the 50% body candle indicator. So there's some demand inside of there. Let's see if we can kind of like see a higher push in line with the 4 hour structure, which is bullish from this high and this low, and see if the momentum can kind of keep up on Aussie dollar. Again, remember, we're still kind of stuck in a range. We're now at resistance of the range, so it could potentially move down lower again, but at a certain point in time, after ranging for a long time, there should be a breakout. So let's keep an eye on that. Going in towards pound dollar. So pound dollar here on the 4 hour started reacting very nicely on the daily, by the way, to this daily area of supply. So we're now reacting to this supply zone, so we could see a potential push down lower. Keep that in mind, but the 4 hour is still bullish as of now, and it still has room to push up higher. So I mean, this is like the clear supply zone over here, and let's see if we can move up higher. NZDUSD. So NZDUSD moved up higher as well, looking for shorts from this supply zone. Let's keep an eye out. If we can short from that supply, keep an eye out for a change of character. So yeah, change of character, we look for shorts. I'm not longing at the moment because I kind of see this as one impulse downwards. Also, if you were to view this as trend, it means that we now have a break of structure. After break of structure, we expect a pullback, especially from this supply zone. So keep that in mind. Last for gold. Gold is moving up higher still, and we continue to look for those longs. I mean, over here we have some imbalance, and yeah, the demand is holding. This is fractal low, so we should continue up higher as long as that fractal low holds. So yeah guys, that's it for today. A bit of a short one. Wish you all a great day and speak soon. Thanks.